Basket Mouth broke the internet when he announced this week that his 12-year marriage has come to an end. Wow. Hi and welcome to Coco Weekly Rundown. Sad but true, Basket Mouth broke hearts when he called on the public to respect his privacy and that of his wife following the end of their marriage. Nigerians did not want to believe this, and while some said it must be a prank, others dragged the comedian for making his divorce public and then asking for privacy. So far, fans still await a follow-up post from the comedian because they are finding it hard to believe. While Polukoye has been flaunting his newfound love, his divorce to Anita Isama has been finalized and they are now both free to marry again. David O wowed his fans as he performed at the closing ceremony of the FIFA 2022 World Cup. He even dropped a series of snaps of himself and his wife Choma, and the picture became the most liked picture of a Nigerian celebrity on Instagram. Genge. Obi will be doing big things even when he doesn't do anything. So far, 2 people have been reported dead due to the crush at Ashake's concert at Brighton Academy. Even though the singer has sent words of condolence, but sincerely, it's irrelevant. God help us, because what a painful loss. These are lives we are talking about. Yul Edochie once again was dragged this week for publicly apologizing to his wife and begging her to forgive him for the one thing he did wrong. This is coming days after he said the Lord told him to become a polygamist. This man has just been going downhill since he announced that he had a second wife. Actress Iyabo Ojo clocked 45 years this week and she threw herself a lavish birthday bash. She also reviewed her new lover, Polukoye, and it was such a cute sight seeing her children and his children blend. Other celebrities who added a year this week include Bibi Naija Chacha, Shay Shay, and many others. Aside birthdays, celebrities are also celebrating wedding anniversaries as Mobimpe and Adedimeji Lateef celebrated their first wedding anniversary, while Olakunle Churchill and Rosie Mora celebrated their second wedding anniversary. So that is all for this week. See ya next week.